Well, hello everybody. Up next is spring cleaning the patio ceiling fans. We'll start with that one on the far end, the one from 1981. So here's a before, and here's after. Much better. Before and after. Let's test the Hunter Originals. I'm going to start them up on low, and then we'll progress through the speeds. The lights work. There's the low speed. Let's go to medium. There's the medium speed. Now let's go to high. And they are working beautifully as would be expected from an original. Let's see how the 1990 Bug Fighter Bug Zapper works this year. Just got done wiping it down, so let's go apply power and see how that does. Looks like that's working just wonderfully. So now we got to move on to the clock on the other side because it needs a new battery in it. Let's give the old Accurite clock a wipe down. And then put a new battery in it. And it appears to be starting to work again. So we'll set the time and hang it back up. Well, I picked a pretty good time of day to do that because I only had to move it about 20 minutes. So now let's put it back up. All ready to go. And there's a look at the bug zapper from this angle. So those two things are ready. Let's go ahead and give the wall pack a try. And it looks like that thing's going to be working just fine this year. I'll let that run for just a little while. Here's one little bonus thing to check. This is that socket I repaired the pull chain on quite a number of years back, and it seems like that video gets quite a bit of views. Let's see how it's doing all these years later. Still working just fine. Now that the patio is all up and running, let's do a drain test on the sink. And that should be good. And that is working awesomely. I did have to clean some debris out at this end as it was draining a little bit slow, but now it's doing just fine. So now that everything else is up and running, let's test out the grill. See how our gas is doing very easily. Turn it on and then open it up. Looks like we got a pretty good amount of gas. Well, my igniter went bad last year, so I gotta light it with this. After I drop it, and there it goes. And the grill's ready to go for the 2021 season. Go ahead and turn off the gas. and turn the controls back to off. So heck yeah, we're ready. We're ready for a 2021 patio season. Just a little while later, everything's swept up, cleaned up, and tools and cleaning supplies are put away. And the patio is officially open for 2021 and everything's working beautifully. So thank you for watching.